Good morning. It's 8 a.m. We woke up super early in Sunday, which we had to sleep, but we wake up super early because we have to made in a new airplane, which is made by Mr. Felix Löber, I would say. So he wakes me up super early and he said he finished his project and he wants to made in it. So I came especially and I'm still sleepy, but here we are. So Mr. Felix, how are you doing?
Tired.
Yeah, tired, I know. So tell us a little bit more about the airplane. How much did it take you to finish it, and what is this airplane exactly?
It's a Pilatus PC6 and I started building it in mid-April. Wingspan is 3.2 meter.
Awesome.
And it's made 100% out of balsa wood.
Balsa, only
And
balsa and some
only
carbon
balsa.
fiber, yeah?
Some carbon fiber,
Some
but
carbon
not much.
Amazing.
And the total weight with batteries is about 3.5 kilograms.
Wow.
So we're going very light.
Super light, not just very light.
If you want to know how I build it, then go check out my Instagram account.
Yes, I will put the links in the description down there for her Instagram.
Nearly every step of the build, and
yes,
might be interesting.
Yeah, of course, it's so interesting. You said something that you want to call it some kind of special name, yeah? Which is the flying mirror, yeah?
So yeah, the flying mirror, of course.
The flying mirror.
Because the finish is like a mirror.
It's all, it's like chrome, which is amazing. And those connectors here are for...
It's for the lights for night flying.
Night flight, nice. So you can, okay.
I can attach them, and if I don't need them, I just keep them off, and it doesn't look ugly.
Yeah, so awesome. Has the flaps. Awesome. Can I see the flaps? Perfect. Wow. It's perfect. Good job, Felix.
Okay.
Good job. So it's the maiden. Are you nervous?
No.
No? Oh, come on. I can see it in your eyes, man.
I
can
the camera.
see it in your eyes. Yes, we have to. We have the run cam 2 in here. I will start it. Good luck. No way. No way. Awesome. That's it, man. Of course. Of course. Awesome. Awesome. It's hovering. It's really hovering. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
You get better pictures.
Yep. Flying mirror. Good job, bro. Yeah, you don't need full throttle for that. You have a huge wings.
Now with some flaps. But you can see it pretty good in the sky.
Yes.
I'm going close now.
Okay. No.
fucking way. That's a little boss. Oh my god. Oh my god. Landing. That was really nice. Good job, bro. Congratulations. Amazing. It was a fun day today. Sunday morning, Sunday fun day. The airplane, this Pilatus, is really cool. It flies super slow, like a bird hovering, you know. I love this airplane. This guy is crazy. And I'm sorry for the part 3 of the build video for the 777. I promised you that I will upload the part 3 this week, but it did not work out because I don't have time. I did not build anything. I'm stuck now, too much work. But I'm sorry for that. But I will continue working on it at the end of August. I guess I will take a small vacation, like for 2 weeks, and I will build something. Hopefully I will upload the part 3, and the part 4 you will start seeing some really finishing details. You will get the look of the airplane, how it's going to look like. And there are some more videos coming, some reviews, some randomly flying stuff. Promise you for the 777 I will do my best to finish it as early as possible. And yes, please be patient with me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.